Okay, a quick video to show you the FloorSkills contour cutter. Some people call it a curve cutter, call it what you want. Basically made out of stainless steel, extremely durable, won't rust, clean your glue off easy. It's got a scale which is very accurate, so if you want a 100mm border for example, your marks are on here and this goes onto your curve. Okay. Designed to take a pencil for the holes, so if I want to mark at 150, put my pencil in, I can bring it round and mark the line. Okay. But the main thing about this tool, it's actually designed to hold your knife. So most people put the knife in there and leave it loose. And when they try to use it, they're trying to hold the knife so it doesn't fall out, which means you've got one hand in there, one hand on the knife. The way it should be used, select your size, I'm going to go 150, you put your knife in, press it down, blade on the second setting by the way, and now your knife is locked into place, it's holding it. It also sets the depth of the blade. Okay, take it to your curve, little bit of pressure, bring him round like so. That's scored. To go the other way, again line it back up on the right slot, lock it in. Okay. Just in some tackify here, just to hold it for you, so you can see what's happening. We'll snap him off. Again, normally speaking, some people use a concave, whatever else. Deburr it. One of these, deburr it. Steve burrer with that maybe, which we can also put a bevel back on the top as well with that one. But I'm not going to go into how to do bevels and that sort of stuff. You guys should know where you are with that. Okay, so basically it's cut the curve and it follows the curve perfectly. All right, simple as that. Something else you could use it for, let's say I've scribed, I'm going to be stabbing round the ball nose and I've scribed my plank in. Okay, again I like a bit of double-sided tape or just loose, but go back to your 150 again, back on. Hopefully it won't move on me because it's not glued in, but basically bring him back round. Struggling a bit here because obviously I don't want my plank to move. Bring him back round, take him out, snap him off. Just going to deburr it quickly. And again, it will cut your border into your piece here. It does need back beveling though. We've still got junk in that one, which we didn't take off. You can see it's a nice tight fit. You could also, in fact, if we had in back the piece we cut off originally, and you want to run your plank in, but let's say you want a feature strip, 5mm, 10mm, whatever else, and we want to try and take a 10mm cut out of that for example. Again, you can do that. I was 150, move it down 10mm, and again just go around again. If I put a mark here, if I can, so we can see it going back in, but again that's just scored. So I can continue a plank with a feature strip running through it. Again, we need to deburr it. I'm not going to do it for what we're doing here, but again if I line that back up on my line over here, and your feature strip, do a bit of heat, will drop back in to drop it to put a feature in a continuing plank. Obviously that ain't gonna look too brilliant because that's another mil thicker than this product and we haven't deburred anything, but it's not fitting less than this. It is purely how do you use this, and it's as simple as that. Okay.